Hello everyone. So today I am here with third chapter of class 10th, two stories about flying. So our this chapter has two stories and today I am going to discuss the first part. This is his first flight, which is written by Liam O'Flaherty. And if we talk about the writer, then he was born on 28 August 1896 in Ireland. So let us talk about the story. So it is an interesting story of a young seagull who was afraid to fly. Okay, this is a story of a young bird and the name of the bird is seagull, जो अक्सर समुद्र के किनारे पाए जाते हैं. Actually, if we talk about seagull's family, then seagull has total 6 members in his family: his mother, father, his 2 brothers, and a sister. So they had already learned how to fly by imitating their parents, but seagull was too afraid to fly that he was filled with terror. Okay, he thought that if he tried to fly he would fall into the sea below. उसे डर लगता था कि अगर उसने उड़ने की कोशिश की तो वो गिर जाएगा. Okay, now his parents, brothers and sisters, they encouraged him a lot, we can say, scolded him. Okay, they taunted him to make his first flight, but he couldn't collect enough courage to fly. Okay, वो courage जुटा ही नहीं पाया. Okay, उड़ने के लिए. So उसके पेरेंट्स ने क्या किया? दे लेफ्ट हिम अलोन. ओके, ही वॉज लेफ्ट अलोन फॉर 24 hours and he didn't eat anything. Actually, Seagull's parents did all the efforts to encourage him into flying on his own, but Seagull was too much scared. वो बहुत ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था. He even didn't make a try. उसने एक कोशिश भी नहीं की उड़ने की. So he was extremely hungry. His mother was looking at him and what he was doing, he was begging for food. वो बहुत ज़्यादा भूखा था क्योंकि उसने लास्ट 24 आवर्स से कुछ भी नहीं खाया था. So what was the mother doing? The mother was looking at him, and what she did, she picked up a piece of fish and flew towards him. Now the smart mother didn't come straight to him. A mother was very smart. She wanted to teach him a lesson. So what she did, she didn't come straight to him. She rather stopped inches away from him. वो कुछ दूरी पर उससे रुक जाती है and her wings were motionless. Now Seagull wondered that why she was not coming near him, because he couldn't bear it any longer as he was maddened by hunger. So without thinking any further, he dived at the fish in his mother's beak. What happened then? क्या हुआ तब? जैसे ही उसने डाइव लगाई, then he fell from the ledge downwards into the open space, and this filled him with fear. जैसे ही उसने डाइव लगाई, वो क्या हुआ? He was filled with fear. But soon he noticed that his wings spread naturally and he was floating in the sky. So this was an amazing moment, we can say. Then he realized that he was flying, and he uttered cries of joy and started flying higher and higher. So his mother, father, brother, sister, they also flew around him, and they were also screaming with joy. Okay, so in this way only his mother was there, who felt pity on him, and she taught him a lesson in the process of giving food. So what she did, she tempted him to dive on the food and fly. Okay, so in this way he made his first flight. So the intelligent act of the young seagull's mother prompted him to make his first flight. So let us see the message now. What is the message of the chapter? We must dare and act if we want to succeed in life. We should have courage and self-confidence. Means we have to put efforts. अगर हमें सफल होना है तो हमें प्रयास करने ही होंगे. So this was the message of the chapter. I hope the chapter is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.